South Indian actresses who secretly opted for plastic surgery. Nayanthara. Talented South Indian diva Nayanthara did liposuction cosmetic surgery to remove extra fat from her body and look more attractive. It is true that after her cosmetic surgery, she started getting more film offers because of flawless beauty and talent. Kajal Aggarwal. Kajal's look changed a lot after doing plastic surgery for her nose. For this, she had to stay 15 days in USA. Anushka Shetty. One of the richest popular actress of South Indian industry, Anushka Shetty went through plastic surgery to get more stunning look. She did liposuction to reduce her weight. She was suffering from obesity since childhood. After doing this, Anushka looks really pretty and hot. Trisha Krishnan. Stunning and sizzling South Indian beauty Trisha Krishnan never revealed the truth about her plastic surgery. This actress went through not only once but many surgeries to correct her jawline and cheekbones. After taking the help of cosmetic surgery, she looks prettier than ever. Shruti Hassan. Multi-talented actress, Shruti opted for many cosmetic surgeries. She did a lip job first and after that she did a nose job. Her nose looks straight now and she looks really different than her college days, though she is not that much successful in South Indian film industry and Bollywood. Shriya Saran. One of the stunning South Indian actresses, Shriya has a drastic transformation. The whole credit goes to her successful plastic surgery. She took help of cosmetic surgery to fix her upper lip. After the surgery, Shriya started getting more film offers. Asin. Asin stole many young hearts by her charismatic performances, but before entering in Bollywood, she did corrective surgery to fix her upper lip right. But her surgery didn't bring any good luck in her career, and after marriage, she bid goodbye to acting. Samantha Akkineni. Super hot and super stunning Samantha never confessed about her plastic surgeries in front of the media. Samantha now looks really different than her modeling days. She did her lip job to look fabulous and beautiful. Priyamani. Priyamani made her lip and cheek more attractive by plastic surgery. She is now looking totally different and fabulous. Bhavana Naeven. Bhavana's recent looks has changed abruptly after doing artificial surgery. Now she looks more gorgeous. Karthika Nair. Karthika got trolled for her dusky complexion in Tollywood. For her unfair skin, she couldn't get good film offers. She went through skin lightening surgery and also did her nose job. After her cosmetic surgery, she looks absolutely stunning. Shazahn Padamsee. Shazahn has gone through plastic surgery to make her jawline and cheekbones more perfect. But this actress claimed that she never took any help of plastic surgery and maintains her figure by doing yoga and workout.